Hi again. My name's John Radford. I'm an English teacher from the United States. Today we're going to be talking about how to form future tenses. In English, there are 4 basic ways of making a future tense sentence. Consider these examples. He will be an amazing doctor. I'm going to travel a lot next year. The bus leaves at 3 p.m. I'm having dinner with my parents today. Consider the first example. He will be an amazing doctor. Here we use the word will. Will can be used to make predictions. We can use it to talk about something we think will happen in the future. For example, I think she will win the prize. You will love New York. Another way we can use will is when we're making instant decisions. For example, when you decide what you're going to eat at a restaurant. I think I will have a salad. You can also use will to make promises and refusals. For example, I will lend you my car. I will not lend you $500. You can also use the will form to talk about future facts. My brother will visit me next week. Finally, you can use the will form to talk about offers and requests. Will you close the window, please? Honey, will you take out the garbage? So as we've just seen, the will form of the future has many uses. Another form of the future, going to, has 2 main uses. To talk about a plan or an intention, or to talk about a prediction. When we use going to talk about an intention, we say something like, I think I'm going to stay in tonight. Are you going to watch a movie? We use it when there's clear evidence that something is going to happen. Look at those black clouds. It's going to rain. Slow down. We're going to crash. So as we've mentioned, you can use will or going to talk about predictions. For example, have you guys been to New York City? You will love New York City. Or I could say, you're going to love New York City. When you hear going to in spoken English, most people don't say going to. They say gonna. So you'll hear, you're gonna like New York City. You won't hear, you're going to like New York City. So you can also use the present continuous to talk about the future. If you're talking about plans that have been made. For example, are you seeing the dentist tomorrow? You can also use the present simple to talk about the future when you're talking about timetabled events. For example, the exam is Monday. Christmas is next week. The train arrives at 2 p.m. So as we've seen, there are many ways to make the future tense. And people will probably understand you no matter which form you use. But try to follow these guidelines to make yourself better understood. So I hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more videos in the future. I will see you again. Bye.